In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace. We'll move your domain registration from GoDaddy into Squarespace so you can manage your site and domain in one place. Before we start, make sure you can sign in to both accounts and that you have access to the domain's contact email, since approval messages will arrive there. Open your GoDaddy dashboard. In the top corner, open your profile and head to My Products. Under Domains, choose Manage All to see the full list. Click the domain you want to move. Inside the domain settings, turn off domain lock. This security setting prevents unauthorized transfers, and it must be disabled for a legitimate move. While you're here, check that the administrative or registrant email address is correct. If privacy is on, GoDaddy will still route messages to you, but they must reach an inbox you can open today. Next, start the transfer out process. Look for transfer to another registrar. GoDaddy will generate an authorization or EPP code. Copy that code and keep it handy. It's time sensitive, so paste it somewhere safe until you use it. Now switch to Squarespace, log into your site, open the Domains panel, and choose Use a Domain I Own. Enter the exact domain name, including the extension, and continue. When prompted, select Transfer Domain instead of connecting. Paste the authorization code you copied from GoDaddy, then save and continue. Squarespace will validate the code and pull in the registrant details. Review the registration data carefully and proceed to checkout. Domain transfers include a required 1-year extension, so you'll pay for that now. The extra year is added to your current expiration date, not replaced. Confirm your contact info and payment, then submit. From here, you can monitor the status in your Squarespace account. Transfers typically complete in 5 to 7 days, but watch your inbox. GoDaddy may send an email that lets you approve and speed things up. Avoid making changes to name servers or contact details while the transfer is pending, and keep an eye on spam or junk folders for any approval messages. If your domain was very recently registered or its contact information was just changed, some registrars apply a temporary hold, so the timeline may be longer. Once it's approved, Squarespace will finalize the move and you'll manage renewals and settings there. That's it. You've successfully transferred your domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace.